Hello and welcome to the CATIA V5 Drafting Course from EDST eLearning. CATIA is the world's leading solution for product design and experience and is used in different industries like aerospace, automobile, defense, etc. CATIA V5 Drafting Course will be beneficial for users who have some exposure to CATIA V5. By the end of the course, you will have a better understanding of drafting workbench and will be eligible for the design opportunities available in the industry. I hope you have completed the CATIA V5 Part Design 1, CATIA V5 Part Design 2 and CATIA V5 Assembly Design courses. The recommended version for practicing the exercises is CATIA V5 R21 and higher versions. Each chapter covers step-by-step process of drafting, that is, making 2D views from 3D model with the help of various examples. I recommend you to learn each chapter sequentially as each chapter will add a new skill and make you familiar with the drafting interface of CATIA. In this course, you will learn to enter the drafting workbench. You will be learning to create a 2D drawing from the 3D model. You will be able to generate various views like front view, right view, isometric view, etc. You will learn to generate dimensions, create texts, leaders, etc. This course also covers the creation of frame and title block. In addition, you will learn to create section views. Associated with each chapter, there will be exercises. In this course, there are 3 exercises for you to practice, which are available in the downloadable exercises. As part of the course, you will learn to create 2D drawing views for components like bracket, lever, and master rod and generate the dimensions and annotations. You can download these exercises and practice repeatedly so that you will be able to get some hands-on experience in CATIA V5 drafting and to reinforce what you have learned in this course. CATIA V5 Drafting Course will help you to have a deeper understanding of drafting workbench. You will be able to generate 2D views from the 3D models, create dimensions, text, etc. and to insert frame and title block. EDST eLearning is an online learning platform developed by EDST Technologies, leveraging 25 years of experience as the leading engineering and PLM solutions company. Once you complete the course, you can avail the course completion certificate. Enroll for the course and enjoy learning experience.